Let us see how you can receive an incoming trigger to the automations builder using Webhook. Go to automations builder, click on workflow, click on create workflow. Always define a name for your workflow and then click on this plus icon. Select the option of Webhook. Click on custom and enter a name here. Click on generate hook. Now this is your unique webhook URL for this particular workflow. Now let me send some test data to this. So you can basically copy this webhook URL and paste it in various applications or send data to this via the browser for test. Click on capture incoming hook before sending any test data from any application. Once you have triggered the data, and then you'll be able to see that some data is received in our system. This will only happen if you have clicked on capture incoming hook. Now click on show received data. So this is the data which was sent by me right now as a test data to the webhook URL. Now click on save. So every time this webhook URL will receive the data, this automation flow will get triggered. In the next step, let me send a WhatsApp message. Simply click on CRM, click on send template message. Why template? Because Meta doesn't allow sending normal messages if the user has not initiated a incoming conversation within last 24 hours. I'll refresh my channels. Select a particular channel, load your templates. So all the data that you're receiving in your webhook URL, you'll be able to map it here. So you can easily map the data, or you can also have some fixed data here. With this, for the WhatsApp number, I am mapping the number field. So this is how you can trigger any automation flow using a webhook. Thank you.